Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English After Hours, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Tim.
And I'm Stef. Welcome back to our amazing English learning family.
We're so excited to see you again. Yesterday, we learned about food and cooking, and we loved reading all your comments about your favorite dishes and restaurants.
Yes, we heard from people who love making pasta in Italy, trying street food in Thailand, and cooking traditional dishes in their home countries. Thank you for sharing.
If you missed yesterday's episode about food and cooking, make sure to watch it after this one. All our lessons connect together.
Before we start today's lesson, please remember to subscribe to English After Hours. Hit that notification bell and give us a thumbs up.
And remember, we upload new English lessons every single day. That means tomorrow you'll have another fresh lesson to continue your English journey.
Today, we have a super practical topic that everyone needs: shopping and money.
This is incredibly useful because you'll use this vocabulary when buying clothes, groceries, electronics, or anything else. Plus, talking about money and prices is essential for daily life.
Are you ready to learn about shopping and money?
Let's get started. Today, we're learning how to talk about shopping, prices, money, and buying things. This vocabulary connects with everything we've learned this week.
That's right. We've talked about daily routines, homes, and food. Now we'll learn how to buy all those things we need for our lives.
You'll use these phrases when shopping in stores, comparing prices, asking about discounts, and talking about your budget with friends.
We'll learn vocabulary for different types of stores, payment methods, price comparisons, and how to be a smart shopper.
Tim is a practical shopper who focuses on necessities and good deals, while I love shopping for unique items and enjoy browsing different stores.
Perfect contrast for learning different shopping vocabularies. Let's start by talking about our shopping habits and then explore money conversations. Tim, tell us about your shopping habits. Where do you usually shop?
Well, since I live in downtown Chicago, I have lots of shopping options within walking distance. I usually shop at a big department store for clothes, a grocery store for food, and sometimes a pharmacy for personal items.
What kind of shopper are you?
I'm definitely a practical shopper. I make a list before I go, I compare prices, and I usually buy what I need rather than what I want. I don't really enjoy spending hours shopping. Tim, I also love finding good deals and discounts. If something is on sale, I'll consider buying it even if I don't need it immediately.
What about your budget? How do you manage your money for shopping?
I have a monthly budget for different categories: groceries, clothes, entertainment, and miscellaneous items. I try to stick to it, but sometimes I go over budget if there's something important I need. I also prefer to pay with my credit card because I can track my spending easily and I get points for purchases.
Do you enjoy shopping, or is it just a necessity for you?
Mostly it's a necessity. I go shopping when I need something specific. I don't really like browsing or window shopping. I prefer to get in, buy what I need, and get out quickly. But I do enjoy shopping for electronics or sports equipment. I like researching products online first, reading reviews, and then finding the best price.
What about you, Steph? I imagine your shopping style is quite different. It definitely is. I absolutely love shopping. It's one of my hobbies. I enjoy browsing different stores, discovering new products, and finding unique items.
Where are your favorite places to shop?
I love shopping at small local boutiques and specialty stores. I enjoy supporting local businesses, and they often have unique items you can't find in big chain stores. I also love thrift stores and vintage shops. You can find amazing clothes and home decorations at great prices, and it's more environmentally friendly than buying everything new.
That sounds interesting. How do you budget for shopping?
I set aside money each month for shopping, but I'm more flexible than Tim. If I see something I really love, I might splurge on it even if it's not in my budget. I also like to shop during sales seasons, end of summer, end of winter, and holiday sales. You can get beautiful clothes and home items at much lower prices.
What's your payment preference?
I usually pay with a debit card, but for expensive purchases like furniture or electronics, I might use a credit card and pay it off gradually. I also always keep some cash for small purchases at local markets. I love the experience of shopping, trying on clothes, feeling fabrics, talking to salespeople, and discovering new brands. It's relaxing for me.
Do you ever shop online?
Sometimes, online shopping is convenient for things like books or household items. But for clothes and decorative items, I prefer to see and touch them in person before buying.
I'm the opposite. I do a lot of online shopping. It saves time and you can easily compare prices from different stores.
Let's talk about different types of stores and what you can buy there.
Great idea. Let's start with clothing stores. You can shop at department stores for many brands in one place, boutiques for unique designer items, or discount stores for cheaper clothes.
For household items, there are furniture stores, home improvement stores, electronic stores, and kitchen supply stores. Each specializes in different types of products.
Don't forget grocery stores and supermarkets for food, pharmacies or drugstores for medicine and personal care, and bookstores for books and magazines.
We also have specialty stores, like flower shops, pet stores, jewelry stores, and art supply stores. These focus on one specific category of products.
And nowadays, many people shop at shopping malls where lots of different stores are in one location, or outlet malls, where you can find brand name items at discounted prices.
Let's practice some essential shopping vocabulary.
For describing prices, expensive, cheap, affordable, overpriced, reasonable, a good deal, a bargain, on sale, discounted.
For payment methods, cash, credit card, debit card, mobile payment, contactless payment, check, installments, layaway.
Shopping actions, browse, shop around, compare prices, try on, return, exchange, refund, purchase, buy, pay.
Store employees, salesperson, cashier, store manager, customer service, sales associate, clerk.
Let's practice a clothing store conversation. Steph, you be the salesperson and I'll be the customer.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store. Can I help you find anything today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a winter jacket. Something warm but not too expensive.
Perfect. We have several options. What's your budget range?
I'd like to spend around $100 to $150.
Great. We have some nice jackets on sale in that price range. What size are you?
I'm a medium. Do you have any black or navy blue jackets?
Absolutely. Here's a navy jacket that's normally $180, but it's 30% off today, so it's $126. Would you like to try it on?
That sounds good. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there. Take your time and let me know if you need a different size.
This fits well. I like it. Can I pay with a credit card?
Of course. Will that be all for you today?
Yes, just the jacket. Do you have a return policy?
Yes, you can return or exchange it within 30 days with the receipt. Keep it in good condition with the tags.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Excellent practice. Now let's talk about money and budgeting vocabulary.
This is so important for daily life. Basic money vocabulary includes budget, income, expenses, savings, debt, loan, interest, discount.
For talking about spending, afford, can't afford, save money, spend money, waste money, splurge, stick to a budget, go over budget.
Price comparisons. More expensive than, less expensive than, the same price as, twice as expensive, half the price, the cheapest, the most expensive.
Let's practice talking about money. Steph, ask me about my budget.
Tim, how do you manage your monthly budget?
Well, I divide my income into different categories. About 30% goes to rent, 20% to food and groceries, 15% to transportation, and I try to save 20%. The rest is for entertainment and miscellaneous expenses.
That sounds very organized. What do you do if you go over budget in one category?
I try to spend less in other categories to balance it out. For example, if I spend too much on entertainment, I might cook more at home instead of eating out.
Do you have any tips for saving money while shopping?
Yes, I always compare prices before buying anything expensive. I check at least 3 different stores or websites. I also wait for sales and use coupons when possible. What about you, Steph? How do you handle your shopping budget?
I'm probably less strict than you. I set aside a certain amount for shopping each month, but I'm flexible. If I find something I really love, I might buy it even if it means spending less on other things.
Do you have any money saving strategies?
I love shopping at thrift stores and during end of season sales. You can find amazing quality items at much lower prices. I also try to buy classic styles that won't go out of fashion quickly.
Now let's talk about different payment situations and problems you might encounter.
Sometimes you might need to say, "Excuse me, you charged me the wrong amount. Can I get a receipt? Do you accept credit cards? Or can I pay in installments?"
If there's a problem, I'd like to return this. This doesn't fit properly on why there's something wrong with this item. Or, can I exchange this for a different size?
For asking about prices and deals, how much does this cost? Is there a discount for students? Do you have a loyalty program? When will this go on sale?
Let's practice a return situation. I'll be the customer with a problem, and you be the customer service person. Excuse me, I bought this shirt yesterday, but when I got home, I noticed it has a stain on it.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is. I'd like to exchange it for the same shirt without a stain if possible.
Of course. Let me check if we have another one in your size. Pause. Yes, here's the same shirt in medium, and this one is perfect.
Great! Do I need to pay anything extra?
No, it's a straight exchange since it was our mistake. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's perfect. Thank you for taking care of this so quickly.
You're very welcome. We appreciate your business.
Perfect customer service. Now let's talk about online shopping vocabulary since it's so popular now.
Online shopping terms include website, add to cart, checkout, shipping, delivery, tracking number, customer reviews, product description.
Payment online, secure payment, enter your card details, billing address, shipping address, order confirmation, email receipt.
Online shopping problems. Item not as described, damaged in shipping, wrong item delivered, refund request, contact customer service.
The advantages of online shopping are convenience, price comparison, and access to more products. The disadvantages might be not seeing items in person and shipping delays.
Let's practice talking about a recent shopping experience. Tim, tell me about something you bought recently.
Last week, I needed new running shoes. I went to 3 different sports stores to compare prices and try on different brands.
What did you find?
The same shoes cost $120 at one store, $100 at another store, and $90 at a discount store. I bought them at the discount store and saved $30.
That's great. Were you happy with your purchase?
Very happy. The shoes are comfortable and good quality. I always feel satisfied when I find a good deal. What about you? Tell me about your last shopping trip.
Last weekend, I went to a local art fair and found a beautiful handmade ceramic vase. It was more expensive than I planned to spend, but it was so unique and perfectly matched my kitchen colors.
Did you negotiate the price?
I did. The artist was asking $80, and I politely asked if there was any flexibility. She offered it for $70, and I was happy to pay that. It's now one of my favorite decorations.
That's a great example of how personal connection can lead to better deals at small businesses.
Let's review everything we learned today. We covered shopping habits, types of stores, payment methods, budgeting, and money conversations.
We learned essential vocabulary for describing prices, talking to salespeople, handling returns, and managing our money. Remember, shopping vocabulary is incredibly practical. You'll use these phrases whenever you buy anything from groceries to clothes to electronics.
This vocabulary connects perfectly with our previous lessons. You shop for food, items for your home, and things related to your daily routine.
Practice tip. This week, when you go shopping, try to think in English about what you're doing. Say, I'm comparing prices, or this is expensive to yourself.
Another great idea. Next time you buy something, practice describing the experience in English. I bought a new shirt. It was on sale for $25. I paid with my credit card.
You can also practice online by looking at shopping websites in English and learning product descriptions and price vocabulary.
Before we finish today, we have your homework assignment.
Tell us about your shopping habits and a recent purchase in the comments. Use the vocabulary we learned today.
For example, you could write, I love shopping at thrift stores. Last week, I bought a beautiful jacket for only $15. It was a great bargain.
Or, I'm a practical shopper like Tim. I always compare prices before buying anything expensive. I recently bought a smartphone after researching for 2 weeks.
Challenge. This week, try shopping at a new type of store or practice bargaining for a better price. Then tell us about your experience.
Tomorrow, we'll learn about health and doctor visits. Essential vocabulary for talking about feeling sick, making appointments, and staying healthy.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Please subscribe to English After Hours, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Remember, we upload new lessons every day, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss tomorrow's episode.
Keep practicing, keep shopping smart, and we'll see you tomorrow for another essential English lesson.
Goodbye from English After Hours.
Bye, everyone.